The LG S77S is a 3.1.3 soundbar that offers a unique design and some impressive features for home theater enthusiasts. It has a rounded shape that stands out from the typical rectangular soundbars, and it comes with a wireless subwoofer and a remote control. The soundbar has a total power output of 400 watts and supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X audio formats. It also has a 4K at 120Hz passthrough feature that makes it compatible with the latest gaming consoles like the PS5 and Xbox Series X. The S77S features LG's unique Triple Level Spatial Sound technology, which creates a more immersive and accurate sound experience by using an HRTF, head-related transfer function, related 3D engine to create a virtual middle layer of sound. The sound quality of the LG S77S is satisfactory for most content, but it lacks some low bass and a graphic EQ to fine-tune the sound. The Triple Level Spatial Sound technology does a good job of creating an immersive soundstage, and the Dolby Atmos and DTS X support add even more depth and realism to your movies and games. The soundbar has two center channels, one front firing and one up firing, that enhance the vocal clarity and the height effects. The soundbar also has an up mixer feature that can convert stereo audio into a 9.1.5 channel mix, but the results are not very convincing. The LG S77S has some interesting features that make it stand out from other soundbars. One of them is the Wow Orchestra feature, which allows the soundbar to play in sync with the LG TV's speakers, creating a more spacious and dynamic sound. This feature is similar to Samsung's Q Symphony feature, and it works well with LG's C-Series OLED TVs. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe to the channel would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like the video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. The soundbar has a HDMI ear port, a HDMI input, an optical input, and a USB port. It also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The soundbar has a few sound modes to choose from, such as Standard, Movie, Music, Game, and AI Sound Pro. The AI Sound Pro feature adapts its performance based on your content, so whether you're watching movies, keeping up with the news, or enjoying your favorite tunes, the sound quality is always optimized. The soundbar also has bass and treble adjustments, but it lacks a graphic EQ or a room correction feature. Here are some of the soundbar's pros and cons. Pros: immersive triple level spatial sound technology. Unique and stylish design that stands out from other soundbars. Supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X audio formats. Has a 4K at 120Hz pass-through feature for gaming consoles. Cons: Wow Orchestra feature only works with LG TVs. Has only one HDMI input. Does not have a room correction feature. No rear surround speakers for true surround sound. The LG S77S is a decent soundbar for mixed usage, but it does not offer a very impressive performance for its price range. It has a unique design and some innovative features, but it lacks some low bass and a graphic EQ. It supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X, but it does not create a very immersive and realistic surround sound experience. It has a 4K at 120Hz pass-through feature, but it has only one HDMI input. It has a Wow Orchestra feature, but it only works with LG TVs. The soundbar is suitable for those who want a simple and stylish soundbar that can sync with their LG TV, but it may not satisfy the more demanding audiophiles. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my two next videos. See you soon.